Today I heavily because I found a cat of Persia mancod. Wow, amazing eyes, also wonderful. That eyes very dangerous. So Ambika first stay in front of that mancod of Persia. What do you do? And I hope you still for stay here. And I walk off, so I found baby cat of mancod from Persia, the Persian cat. So this is the next baby cat of mancod from Persian country of Persia. Baby cat, hello. Wow, wow. Amazing eyes. Stay on the chair like this. And they need to be heavy for stay underwear like this. Cause cool, small also be heavy forever together like that. Once again for baby cat of man caught from Persia, stay under decks. Hello, baby cat of man caught Persia. This for me, 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 whoa, oh. They still together underwear like this. Mother cat of mancod. The father of mancod, Persia cat.